like a fat globule na because of dun sa kinain niya na burger and fries.
And soft drink.
Sorry. Ayan. Ito yung tinatawag ni Doctor na Rollo formation. Yung like a stack of coins, yung ating blood. Kaya siya nagdidikit-dikit because malagkit talaga yung hindi yung red blood cell itself but the serum. Yung serum is the liquid substance between the red blood cell. So malagkit yun eh. Nagiging oily na siyang nagiging dahilan kaya mag-clump together, nagiging pila-pila siya. So yung pagiging pila-pila niya ng ganon makes it, ayan, para na siyang coins that are stuck together. Makes it difficult para mag-flow properly yung dugo. Nakita natin na she has a very thick blood dahil doon sa kanyang cholesterol na circulating in her body right now. So ang gagawin natin, we'll spend another 15 minutes para makapag-settle down yung cholesterol sa blood niya. And then, we are going to give a cleansing substance. Pero ibibigay natin sublingually. Yung sublingual na yon, titingnan natin 15 minutes later if we have a blood that is better looking than this. Okay? Ito after na maglagay, no? Medyo mas hiwalay na siya. Pero meron pa. Pero mas magaganda na siya. Solo-solo na siya. Yung kanina talaga makikita ko marami siya.